everybody, welcome back to Epic Beauty Fail. I'm Jessica. On today's video, I'm going to be unbagging my October Ipsy bag. I do think the bag is very pretty this month. This is what it looks like. Although I will say this, I think it would almost be more fitting for like a February bag. And the only reason why is because I see the mask and I think of Mardi Gras. But I guess you could use the mask for like Halloween, right? That makes sense. But this type of mask, I think of Mardi Gras. But that's just me. And it's red and Valentine's Day, you know, whatever. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and just open the bag. There is a card in here I'm going to pull out. Doesn't look like there's a theme. Ipsy After Dark, maybe? I don't know. The Ipsy cards are pretty much worthless as far as I'm concerned. They just don't really tell you anything. All right, I'm going to go ahead and pull something out. I think I know what this is because I knew I was getting a brush. Yes, it is. This is from Gotchis, something like that. It is an eyebrow brush. I think it's an eyebrow brush. Yes, eyebrow brush. So there it is. It's just a wee little brush for the eyebrows. That makes me happy. I love getting brushes, and I need to start doing my brows more. Really what I need to do is get to the salon and get my brows waxed, but we're not going to talk about that. I also need my hair done, if you haven't noticed. But that appointment's already made. It's not until the end of November. Like, seriously. The guy who does my hair, I made my appointment the first week in October. My appointment's on November 20th. Yeah. All right, let's go ahead and get the next item out. What is this? This is Oh, it's a cap. It's not anything. It's a cap. I hope nothing is spilling in here. Let's see if we can figure out. That looks like that might be the lid. Okay, here it is. This is from Makeup Forever. It is a small sample of their Ultra HD Invisible Cover Foundation. This is in the shade R230, and that is a little bit dark for me. I don't know. I might be able to make it work, but it is a little dark for me. I think I have R220, I think is my shade. I squirted way too much. You can't really make it squirt out just as much as you want to. But there it is. You can see it's just a little bit on the darker side for me. I'm more of a neutral undertone. If I have to pick between pinks or yellows, I do go with a pink or a red undertone over a yellow undertone. But I'm more of a neutral, to be honest with you, than anything. So, but it is a little dark for me. But I will give it a try in my beauty box look at the end of the month. So let's keep going. All right, the next item, let's pull this out right here. This is Take Home the Bronze from the Balm Cosmetics Anti-Orange Bronzer in the shade Oliver. All right, other than the fact that it's a super, super tiny little sample, that is probably my biggest complaint with the Balm when they do send samples in beauty boxes or put samples in the beauty boxes, is that they are so tiny. Like, I can't put a bronzer brush in this. I can't. This is more the size of an eyeshadow, but you can barely see it on my skin. In fact, I don't know that you'll be able to see it at all. Maybe a little bit. Looks like it's picking up a little bit in the camera right in here. But it looks like a shade that would definitely work on my skin for sure. So, all right. The Balm Cosmetics. What's the next item? Let's pull this out because I think I know what this is. Okay, this is an eyeshadow. It looks like it's from the company Ipsy in the shade Boho. So there it is in the packaging. I'll go ahead and pull it out and swatch it then in a second here. That's what it looks like. And it's just a single pan. Okay. There it is. It is a pretty shade. It's like a dusty rose. It is a little powdery though. Yeah, it is a little bit powdery, but it's pretty. Powdery, but pretty. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and get that off my finger, or get it off my hand. But it is powdery. Like I said, when I ran my finger over it, it did kick up some powder. I'm going to put it back in the pouch, and then once I'm done filming today, I will put it in a Z palette. But I'm going to put it back in the pouch just so that I don't get it all over the place. Okay. One more item in this bag. Let's go ahead and pull it out. This is from K. Voss Lip Balm in Strawberry Peppermint. Let's see what it looks like. Okay, it's just a little tube. It does have a little box that it came in, but the actual product itself is just a little tube. I'm going to go ahead and open this and swatch it. It says it's strawberry peppermint. Let's see if it smells like strawberry peppermint. If you hear clapping, my son and my husband are currently watching the Michigan State versus Penn State football game downstairs. So it definitely has a darkness to it, but that seems to go away when you blend it out. All I smell is the peppermint. That is it. I don't smell any strawberry at all, just peppermint. So I will definitely give that a try. And that's it. It seems like this box went very quickly this month. Very quickly. So let's go ahead and recap. I've got this K. Voss Lip Balm in Strawberry Peppermint, which I will definitely try. The Ultra HD Makeup Forever Foundation. It's just a little bit dark for me, but I think I can make it work. The Single Pan Eyeshadow from Ipsy. The Balm Take Home the Bronze Anti-Orange Bronzer. And the brush for the brows. So overall, I have to personally say that I think this is a pretty good box or bag. It's a bag. I can, use the foundation. Like I said, it's a little bit dark for me, but I can give it a try and see if I can make it work. And then I could use the bronzer and the eyeshadow. I could probably do an eyeshadow look just with these two shades if I really wanted to. Put the bronzer in my crease just to smoke it out a little bit, and then use the Dusty Rose shade, or what do they call it? The boho shade from Ipsy all over the lid. And I could probably make that work as just a quick everyday look. And then the brow brush, which I might use for eyeliner. I don't know. Overall, I think this bag is actually pretty good. Let me know in the comment section down below what you got in your Ipsy bag. I know that Ipsy has like 60 items a month or something like that. It's like crazy high, the variations that they do, which is really neat, which makes it very unique in the fact that it could be different for everyone. Or you could have gotten some of the same products as me, but not all. So I do like Ipsy for that because it is varied in the products that they have every month. But anyway, if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up down below. If you haven't already and you would like to be, please hit that red subscribe button, and don't forget to hit the little bell to notify you when I do upload new videos. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you on the next Epic Beauty Fail. Bye!